Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Shopify Favicon. First, go to your web browser. Now search for shopify.com. Click on its official website. Here, go to the login. Now log into your account with your details. Once you're in, click on Online Store from your left. Then go to Themes. Here, go to Customize right next to your selected theme. After that, click on Theme Settings from the top left corner. Here you can access all these options to add to your theme. Click on Logo. Then go to Favicon Image. Now you need to select the new image from your device. It will be scaled down to 32 by 32 px. Click on Select Image. Now select a new image from these options. Click on Done. Here you can see your new Favicon image. Now hit the Save button on your top right corner. Your changes have been saved. If you want to change it again, click on Change button. You will be able to select a new image from all these given options. Click on Select from Library. Here, to add a new image, click on Add Images. Now select the images from your system to post them. So this is how you can change Shopify's Favicon. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.